Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
From 29th, there's going to be a turnaround. It's going to be a turnaround. As our Prime Minister make known to you the the achievements so far on 29th of this month, you'll be briefed and you will be tell the the blueprint or the way to turn to. But one thing you must know is that we are not going back. We are going to destroy the zoo completely. You see, Nigeria, it is not of him that willeth, not of him that runneth, but unto God of Biafra, who has shown us mercy. They say the battle is not for the swift, nor for the strong. The race are not for the swift, the battle neither is for the strong. But it is only God who fights our battle, who has been fighting this battle. See, those people that died can never die in vain. Take that from me. You see, our people, or you see that my direct family who died during the Biafran war, they can never die in vain. You see, these people that are offering their life. There's a video I was watching. I had headache. Could you imagine as me? I got headache. The way they kill our people, the way they butchered our people like animals. Is this a country? Is that a country where human being has no value? Do you know in Igbo land we call human being mmado? Mmado means mma nkendo, meaning the beauty of life. So I see no reason why we'll be killed. Even here in even here, you don't kill animal. There was a place I was going I saw antelope. And antelope just come was looking at me like this. Hi. If you kill it, you enter problem. Now let me tell you, ordinary Cameroon there, Cameroon our neighbor, you don't kill animal there. Because I've done an elephant tusk business. Because the hunters only kill elephant just to remove the tusk. They shot elephant just to remove the tusk. We need to restore our lost glory. Our lost glory. There's a video I want you to listen. Maybe you didn't come on time. I want you to listen to this video I want to play about the Igbos. And when they talk about the Igbos, they talk about the Biafrans. You know, in those days, the pronounced tribe is Igbo, which covered, which all of us were under the same thing, the same tribe called Igbo. So when a white man say Igbos, he made it easier for him. He cannot be calling Efik, Ibibio, Kalabare, and he put them together because we are under one umbrella. So we are under one umbrella. Now, you will see the history of where we are coming from, the history of the Biafran. Biafra told the world about democracy. We taught the world. It is real. Now, how is it the person who teach people how to walk is crawling? The person who teach people how to run is now lame. Hmm? Why are we like generator? Generator, what are you doing in darkness? We are like generator. Check the history of generator. You see, generator generates power everywhere in the building, but they put it at the corner of the house. So most time it's dark. Even if they try to put lights where the generator is, watch very well that the light will not be bright. The generator who illuminate the building, the whole compound, who give lights, is in darkness. Biafra, who supplies strength to United Kingdom. Remove Biafra from UK, UK will collapse. Russia has freezed them. The only surviving Greece is our oil, our resources. Enugu State is sitting on top of natural gas. I had a voice told me clearly, and when I had that kind of voice, it is real. It doesn't miss targets. I was told that there's something that is in Biafra land that ICE has not discovered, that it will be made open when we have our freedom. Because if you open any human being's eyes to see it, our freedom, to get our freedom, we'll fight more war. So God has his plan for us. Now, people that taught the whites, those yellow men, because when you call them white men, they are just feel more superior than you. Like here where I live, I don't call them white men, I call them yellow men. That's the way I address them. Say, you yellow man. I don't call you white man because you're not white. Not that you call me black. You call me black. Am I black? I'm not black. You are not black. If you want to know what is black, go to Chaco and you know what is black. Are you black? You are not. But they prefer us to call them white men. So I call them yellow men. So we taught them what they are doing. This is who we are. Most of us don't know who we are. It is a pity that it is these yellow men that have come to tell us who we are. And we have lost this dignity. We have lost this glory because of these marauders, because of these jihadists. We lost the beauty that we are known for. And it is a must that we restore this lost glory. A Biafra man is the person that taught the world about democracy. A Biafra man is the person that taught the world, the first people on this earth who have the written constitution, who value women, which they are working on now, who believe in mmado, mmankendo, mmando, the beauty of life. We believe in it. We believe in it so much. And these are the glories we lost. These are the beauty of a Biafran person, of a Biafran man and woman that we have lost. These are why we are fighting, to restore our glory, to liberate ourselves from the shackles of bondage. Remember, a Biafra man, if you see Chicago landing, the Igbo landing in America, they are men that refuse to be slave. And today, due to the mixed blood that is in our land, we are comfortable in slavery. We are very, very comfortable in slavery, which is not the way of a Biafra man. Ifoma, my sister Ifoma, you cannot enter Biafra from Biafra, from Biafra land, from the zoo, except you go through VPN, except you go through VPN. When you enter it through VPN, you can access enter Biafra, because the zoo government blocked it. The same thing they are doing to us in the web, on the YouTube and the Facebook. When we talk about Biafra, they will block you. That's why we are telling you, anytime you are here, do all you can to subscribe. Okay, let me see. Just hold on. Hello.
Hello, Gaddafi. How are you doing?
I'm fine. We are the live program. Do you want to contribute?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, I believe that Biafran people are listening to you, because my external speaker is not on now. But go on, we are listening. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Very clear, I can hear you. I believe the people are listening.
Thank you. This is Mazi Emeka, and I see your topic, and just joining you now that I see your topic, and I knew, I can guess what you're talking about.
All right.
But not focusing mostly on, what I think I can guess. I want to go to maybe it could be the topic you're talking about, or slightly off the topic you're talking about. But let me just say this. Do you see the people they say Americans, working for American, working in American embassy or consulate or whatever, they name it, that were killed in Anambra State? You know, this is purely Nigeria government action. They did it for one or two or three reasons. Let me just go for the first reason. I think they did it because of, well, you know, they acquired Tucano, you know, a plane from United States, you know, and they were warned not to use that Tucano plane bomber jet on southeastern Nigeria. So now, how do they have to get it? You know, they have to look for a way to get it, to use that Tucano, and they have been using it, but it could be, you know, it could be that America have found out that they are using that Tucano jet in southeastern Nigeria. Now, in order for them now to, you know, do something that America will give them go ahead to use it, you know, because when America give them go ahead to use it now, it will now cover the tracks, you know, for the one they have used in the past and the one they are, you know, going to use after the American border. So for them to use that Tucano aircraft against our civilian population, they have to do something that will directly affect, I mean, or you know, have American connotation in it. So they have to, you know, do something like this in order to, you know, pave way for America to say to them, oh, these people, we now give you clearance to go after them. You know, having said that, we now give them the opportunity to use that Tucano aircraft, a bomber jet against our civilian population. That is one.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.